How are you? Very good. Who's responsible? Is it you or someone else? Manager or why is the manager? Is it you? Okay. But you look here. Start with the manager, the age ones. We are from MK Limited and we are working with all stakeholders of South African Migration, Department of Labor, and also other stakeholders. So now we want to verify how many foreigners do you have. Can you provide foreigners? Looks tired, right?
Well, it's a temporary work. I don't know it. So don't work here. It's a temporary work.
So what about?
Yeah.
Sigor. Yes. Wathoma sawuphendula kanti phela bafayile uyithule ngasiwezi ukustand mine.
Cha. Ngizwa ukuthi ngibheka ngathi ukhathele.
Yazi?
Ngizwa ukuthi ubukeka ngathi ukhathele.
Ngibuza yena vele. Mina ngikwazi wena.
Oh.
Angikubona into ekufuna njengoba nifika ichaza ngubani ngiqhamuka kuphi.
Mina ngiyanazi vele.
Uyasazi?
Ngiyanazi. Ngicela ukubona.
Hayi siyabonga.
Emafonini niyenza umsebenzi wenu.
Hayi siyabonga kunjalo. Ukuthi banike
John.
Okay John. Ukubeka John. Nakho sisebenzisana mina. Cela usitholelele phakathi khona le game yangaphandle. We want to check some of the things. We're not fighting with anyone. That's why we are coming to this. We've got two cars that we are using outside there. Abanye bahlala babaningi. Now so we're showing that we are not fighting. Because if we can, sibuya komunye umlungu ngapha evali. Biza yonke ifamily yakhe lo mlungu acabanga wasuka saphuma sonke umuntu kwenye ifamily ngapha. So decided to size ngamanzi. So ngicela usitholele bangabe khona to check some of them. And then mhlawumbe wena isitolo wenzani?
Ayasha.
Eshaya. Ukhulumele
Manager, I do not mind this
Santana. Then we need a responsible person. And if no, we can't need the card. Okay, let us verify ourselves. Continue. Yeah. Come back. How fast? Masu. We have film done. Yeah, we have film. Go back. Asixoxe ngomezulu lo. Mina nawe sihlangana sama. Ngomezulu mazulu. Beka. Awazi khangeni. Wasongibuza uzuma manje ukuphikini. Why? Ufuna ukwenza into engenamsebenzi manje. Ukuphikini. Ukuphi ekhangeni. Usekhizeni ula South Africa kuseZimbabwe ukuphikini. Muthi khona wena.
Especially when you comply with that.
Maybe
Just do straight.
Asidlali la sisho yeso. Yes. Basibuza nje asidlali. Okay, sesizwile ukuthi ukwenza la page. Asibabili. Come closer. Very. Yes, ma'am. Sabalona. Tulong for after 10 minutes, ma'am. Minjan, ma'am. Niyaphila, ma'am. Mngomezulu. Man. Shan, Milanda. Kubeka. Siyabo. Yena la.
Oh, Shandulanda.
Ngasho njalo. John, uma ngabe asikhohlisa John, nawe siyabuya emva kwakho.
I know what you're doing.
Basebenza bebangaphi na?
Okay, no, uzogcina ukwazi ukuthi khona la. Listen, my man. Listen. Either your father or whatever, if you're employed, we don't want this lady here. As in from now. We're not playing games. Talk to your boss, whatever. We don't want this lady. Or what you can do since you, because it seems like we're not responsible. When I give you just one day, when you're coming to that shop tomorrow to bring them the CVs for South African people, we'll bring you also for South African. You understand what I'm saying? We'll bring you a CV so that you could replace this lady and other foreigners who are not in today. We don't want any stores. If you want to continue to operate here nicely, not being disturbed, you will do what we are saying. This is a foreigner, must be out. Case closed. Sharp.
Attitude yakhe ayenza ngathi akasibona.
Indawo ebancane.
manje uba naloyo mkhonto